I've been exploring the iScanner mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. iScanner is a mobile scanning app that turns your phone into a portable document scanner, aimed at students, professionals, and anyone who often needs to digitize paperwork on the go. It lets you capture receipts, IDs, assignments, and contracts, then cleans them up with auto border detection, color correction, and tools to straighten pages and remove shadows or fingerprints, which makes everyday scans look closer to something from a real scanner. You can export files as PDF, JPG, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or text, add signatures, mark up and blur sensitive information, and organize everything into folders, which is handy for schoolwork or business documents. Its built-in text recognition supports multiple languages and lets you pull text from scans and even chat with your documents using AI to summarize or rewrite content. Cloud sync across devices and secure storage, plus options like Face ID, PIN protection, password-locked PDS, and keeping some files only on your device, add a layer of convenience and trust for sensitive documents. However, it is not without flaws. The most powerful features sit behind a pro subscription with options like a yearly plan, so anyone expecting a fully free tool might feel limited over time. While recent user reviews praise the app's reliability, intuitive design, and steady improvements after earlier bugs, they also highlight that you may occasionally run into glitches and will need to decide if ongoing subscription costs fit your budget. With a very high average rating and many long-time users saying it saves them hours, it is a solid choice if you value polished scans, AI tools, and strong organization. But you should be comfortable with in-app purchases and the data collection typical of productivity apps before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.